ఖైరతాబాద్ నియోజకవర్గంలోని నందినగర్ ప్రాంతంలో ఆయన తన ఓటు హక్కుని వినియోగించుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. నందినగర్లో ఇందాక ఇక్కడ ఇదే పోలింగ్ కేంద్రంలో మాజీ ఎంపీ కవిత గారు ఓటు హక్కుని వినియోగించుకున్నారు. ఆ తర్వాత కవిత గారు అక్కడ మాట్లాడారు. ఒకసారి ఆ ఓటు హక్కు వినియోగించుకున్న తర్వాత కవిత గారు ఏం మాట్లాడారో ఒకసారి చూద్దాం.
Appeal to you to please come out and vote. Today is not a holiday. Today is not to participate and strengthen the democracy. Youngsters, please come out. Officials, please come out. Everybody, please come out and vote. Thank you. Jai Telangana. Well, the decibels have been high, as you know. But then last time, 2018, also it was the same scenario. Ultimately, people supported BRS, and this time also we believe people will support BRS.
Congress is pretty confident that they are very resurgent and they will win back the state.
BJP are in a partnership. How would you like to respond?
Absolutely, the same thing again in 2018 with their fake surveys and fake, high decibel noise. Congress party claimed that they are going to come back to power. This time also they have tried their best to, give out a lot of fake surveys and claim that they are going to come back to power. But the love of people is with KCR Garu. Love of people is with BRS party. So people are going to vote for Kar and we are going to win. Thank you.